So we're on our way. This is Oak Glen. This is the Southern California version. Oh, we have Mike in the shot now. This is the Southern California version of Apple Hill. So we haven't been here before. This will be our first time, but we're very excited. I did a lot of research. I plan on having a really good piece of apple pie today. That's my quest that I'm on.
Have you ever bought a whole apple pie?
I haven't.
Because some people go to this, they get like a whole pie.
And they bring it home.
I don't know if I'm that guy. I'm down to buy like slices.
I would like to have 3 slices from 3 different places.
Same. Yeah, I'm gonna get a poo-poo platter of apple pie.
And I think my brother, my sister-in-law, and my mom are already there. There's a place that has like those little mini cider donuts, which John is not interested in at all.
I like traditional donuts. That's my fave. There's nothing wrong with them. Get in your fucking lane!
What we're trying to do today is pick and choose.
Yeah, you got a set amount of calories for the day.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna give it to that. I don't know. You know what I mean?
So apple pie is on my list. I thought I found a spot that was golden. You know, we did our YouTube research, our Yelp research, and now I'm finding out it's under new ownership recently. And I don't know if it's...
I don't care who owns the fucking place, man. I just want to know if the food's good. It's okay. I don't care if the ambiance is different. Ambience? How do you say it?
You can say it. Ambiance is like how you say it if you have money.
Oh, okay, so I don't care if the ambiance is different. Have you ever noticed that in small towns, no matter how small, there's always a Leslie's Pool Supplies? Right? Everywhere, right?
So apple pie is on my list. If I see a really good looking cherry turnover, it's going down.
Okay.
Apple pie a la mode.
I'm gonna
cinnamon
go for
sauce.
a homemade cinnamon roll.
Oh, homemade cinnamon roll.
Are you into that or no?
I'm into a bite, but it's not my main goal today.
Okay, so I'm gonna champion that task.
Okay.
If you want to take something else on.
Are you gonna try some of that caramel dip? Is the question. It is wide open. Cran would never. Look at. Let me see that face, Cran.
Yeah, well, look at it.
All right, we just made our first stop. Cran got her apple cinnamon donuts. What'd you think of the donuts?
Cute.
Cute. You'd rather have a regular. I'd rather have a glazed donut personally.
I guess every once in a while, if you eat regular donuts all the time, then this is a nice, refreshing change.
Oh,
all I'm
okay.
saying.
Okay. We're heading to the place that has the apple pie that I want to try right now. How's it going? How was your food?
Tri-tip?
You didn't try my apple pie, huh?
No, you didn't let me have any of that.
I asked you if you wanted some.
Oh, I didn't catch that part. The tri-tip, A1, great.
You're very close to the camera for sure.
Use the wide lens.
Whoa, cool.
Okay,
Now you can
A1.
talk.
Nachos were good. Service?
Yeah.
Garbage. I still tip them.
My third apple pie of the day. That has to be good. John, tell me what you thought about that cinnamon roll that I got you.
The frosted wood,
He said it tasted like wood.
petrified cinnamon roll.
I don't know if you're thinking about coming out here to Oak Glen. It's cute. There's so many people that it's like...
Drive like a smart car if you can. Like
Yeah.
a tiny vehicle. Smaller, the better.
Don't bring your dogs.
Do not bring your dogs. Terrible idea. Unless you want to have a bad time. I would say pack water, napkins.
Layers.
Layers. Maybe take a CBD edible before you come, you know? Just to mellow yourself out.
Checking back in.
Checking back in. It's been a few
Where are we now?
It's been a while, guys. We're in a different part of the world now. We're in Northern California. Ever heard of it? So we're in Santa Rosa now for a wedding. Katy's cousin's getting married.
Cute.
I'm from here. This is where Katy and I met, so you know, a little nostalgia. We rented a special car for this trip.
John got himself a Tesla.
And there's deals this week on electric cars.
They wash it for you?
Okay, rule number 1, y'all don't wash your cars before you give them to people. Come on, Enterprise.
He's upset, you guys. How you feeling?
Where's ludicrous mode?
What does that mean?
That's a thing, swear to God.
Really?
Well, 1, you have to drop it down low. Just because lower is better. We learned that in my last video. Acceleration, chill, or standard. Did you see that?
Oh, wait, what?
It says chill as an option.
What does that mean?
It's like it won't go super fast.
You don't want that, do you?
No, I want standard. You can't see how these goddamn fucking mirrors, man. It's so dirty.
Oh my God, they're so dirty.
What, did you guys wash this with dirt? I don't know how to turn it off.
I think you just leave. There is no off button, I'm
You think
pretty
you just
sure.
walk away?
I think let's just leave.
Okay.
Wait, why does this hotel resort look like Sonoma State campus?
I think that's the building style of Sonoma County. Room tour?
Do you want to give me a room tour?
All right, so this is suite. This is the honeymoon suite that we got here. We're at the Vintners Inn in Santa Rosa. Not sponsored, but if they want to throw us a bag or give us a credit on our stay, I'm happy with that too. So this is the living room. Actually, you're in the foyer right now. Sorry about that. All the drinks in the room are complimentary, they said. It's kind of like a welcoming gift to us. So this is
Wait, are they really?
Swear to God. So it's all the liquids in here. So this Nestle Pure Life is you. It's whatever you want. You don't have to drink it today, but just drink it while you're here.
I see a bottle of something pink up here.
Yeah, that's that rosé. That's not on the house.
It's not?
Top shelf. Moving on. Let's go. Okay, this is a fireplace. It's got the glass crystals in it. You know, some fly shit. A little love cedar. It's a little taste of Italy, if you ask me. Coming up in here.
It's a little dark in here, huh?
Yeah, you know, like set the mood a little bit over here. This right here is the formal dining room. I like to keep it small circle, so I got just 2 chairs here. You got the master. This is where the magic happens. You got a leaf on here so we keep it green. You know? The best part, which you guys haven't even seen yet, behind these barn doors, it's like a whole other house up in here.
Wow, this is roomy.
It's big. You know, walk-in closet, double wide. Oh, look at these robes. Yes. Very nice.
Oh, yes.
This is a good robe. This is the shower. I can already tell you one complaint I have.
Oh no, is that the only head?
Well, there's no door. There's just going to be water everywhere.
Oh my
More
gosh,
so than
that's
normal.
the last thing that
More
you
water
need.
than normal is where the real magic happens.
This is where you lay down the law.
Yeah, that's where you break some pipes. Walking outside, you liking the tour so far?
I'm loving
This
the
is plasma, 50-inch. All right, so this is the balcony, guys. Got our own little vineyard here. We grow our own green. All this grass right here is ours.
There's actually a vineyard over there.
There's actually a 1-mile walk that you can do through the vineyard if
Really?
you'd like. Yes, it's a very easy walk, they said, for all people.
So I could do it?
I'm not saying anything. You're included,
Even me?
You're included in all people, aren't you?
Even me? How about you take me to go eat?
Let's go eat. Let's do it.
Where are we
you
gonna
guys don't
go?
have to go home, but you got to get the hell out of here.
How did you practice this at home? Don't lie, because I feel like
watched
you're a little too good at
I watched a lot
it.
of Crips growing up.
You did.
I've never
huh?
been here before. This is my first time here.
Good morning. I'm about to make myself some coffee. John's still sleeping.
Why'd you do cold brew?
I thought you were sleeping.
I know.
Well, I kind of want like a hot cup of coffee first.
Oh, here we go.
Here's some of the damage we did last night. What was that place called? Noble Folk or something? Really good cookies. Those chocolate ones in there kind of taste like Oreos. Also went to the store last night and got some cold brew because there's actually room in the refrigerator, which almost never happens when you stay somewhere. So cold brew, I really like this one. The store-bought one, Starbucks cold brew. This is for John. He said he doesn't need ice right now, so that's great. And we got some cream because, again, when you have a cute little coffee machine in your room, but you only have like 3 little creams, John laughs. Huh, John?
Is that for kids?
We're avoiding a catastrophe.
What?
You're getting your shit pressed
Taking
instead
it to a
of...
professional, licensed professionals. Pressing an item should take 10 seconds, right?
John's upset.
Well,
He's upset.
it's 10 a.m. I don't need it until like 4.
No, you need to be dressed at 4. You need your shirts at like 2. So don't...
Okay, pressing takes 10 seconds is all I'm saying. That's all
I feel like you're kind of developed my sense of time lately.
I have.
You have.
In becoming
You're
more
like, I don't
active.
need my shirt until 4. The wedding starts at 5. So I think you need your shirt a little bit earlier than that. You know what I mean?
I like to put it on right before the bride comes out.
I was like, you're literally not allowed to iron your own clothes, especially for important events like this. Please.
I don't even know if I want to put my shit in here because it's so dirty in this car. Enterprise DM'd me today and said, like, what's up with your car, man? Because I tagged them in it being dirty.
You
So
tagged them?
I did tag them.
Wow.
This is petty level high.
Wow.
It was that dirty though, guys. I'm not gonna complain.
Well, you can't see out of the windows.
Yeah, when visibility is affected because you just fucking got dirt everywhere, that's bad. I don't know. I'm not gonna ask them for any like credit or anything, but it's bad. I'm not gonna tip them. That's all I'm saying.
We are at Paige's Diner for breakfast.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Alright, so we had to do a biscuit and gravy. These are the mini pancakes and they're actually pretty big. This is like mine and John's favorite kind of breakfast.
Alright guys, I just got this bill and it has a tip already calculated for you and you just check which one you want. I don't even have to write the number. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
That's a nice feature.
That's great.
I love that for me.
Okay, I kind of just finished up my makeup. Still have to do my lip and whatnot, but I'm gonna start doing my hair. I literally don't even know what I'm doing with my hair yet.
You do mine too?
Wow. It looks like somebody sat on top of your head.
It did not.
So we went to Ulta just now because I don't have a curling iron big enough because I've had short hair for so long. It was just time for me to get a new curling iron. I got this one. I really just wanted a 1.5 inch. This is my dress tonight. It's like a one shoulder, it's like a chocolatey dark brown, very fall. Kind of thinking of doing like this tucked, maybe like a couple bobby pins right here, maybe not, and just like a soft curl. So we're gonna get started on this. All right, here we go, guys.
Center to the
we're
right.
all cleaned up here. We have no idea where we're going, so we're gonna go head off to this wedding. I can't wait to see my cousin get married. It's gonna be so much fun. How pretty was the wedding last night?
Really nice. Really nice.
You guys, the wedding was so pretty last night. Obviously, I didn't vlog any of it, but it made John, I think, like me a little bit more again.
We don't really go to a lot of weddings. I don't know why. Like either our friends don't invite us, or all our friends are married.
Everybody's married.
It's one of the two. I don't know exactly which one yet. But it's nice to be reminded of like family. I think it's good. It's nice to see like you reminded me like how major getting married is.
Yeah.
And like it's pretty cool. I think it's a big deal. So I like weddings. They're cool. I'd take a couple invites. People want to throw invites my way. What would you change about our wedding? After seeing
Okay, so it's funny because I was thinking about it. You can't do that because you're at such a different place in your life.
Yeah.
That was 6 years ago. I was a completely different person 6 years ago.
Yeah. They didn't have the internet 6 years ago.
You know what I mean? Like, we didn't actually say vows at our wedding. I think we're both we get really shy.
Yeah.
And I think it just sounded really uncomfortable to us. Would you do it now?
Yeah, it'd be nerve-wracking.
It would still be nerve-wracking. Even the idea of a wedding 6 years ago sounded terrifying to me. Like, that much attention on me.
Yeah, toasts. I don't know. That was
Everybody
hard.
basically there for you.
Yeah, it's hard. It's easy to say what you would change now. But
Yeah.
back when you're in it, you never know. I think our wedding was great, though.
I thought it was beautiful. So last night, my family that we were with last night is like my party. They like to party, and they were pouring shots of tequila in wine goblets.
Like it was water.
And the bride, when she asks you to do something, you do it. So she wanted me to take a shot, and I was just gonna sip it, and she tipped it, and it hit me hard.
You have to listen to the bride.
You have to
That's
listen
really
to the
the only rule at a wedding.
Yeah. If she made you get up and dance, would you have danced?
You have to. You can't say no.
You can't say no.
That's so bad luck if you do that.
Is it really?
Oh, you just don't do that. You don't do that. Even me, someone that doesn't subscribe to a lot of shit, if the bride asks you to do something, you have to do it.
You have to do
That's
it.
the one rule. The groom, on the other hand, he can ask you to do whatever you want. You don't have to listen to that shit. No.
Oh, what's this? That's cute. The Mill District. I don't think I've ever been to Healdsburg.
It's pretty up and coming.
All right, let's go to this send-off. Let's have a good time. Wait, so you finally get to use one of these parking spots?
Yeah, we're using an EV. I've used the EV spots before. I just never had an EV while I was parking there.
Wow. So are you going to plug in?
Yeah, I'm gonna plug in, guys. Why not?
I can't wait to see this.
Why
This is
not?
a moment. This is a moment.
This is a big day for us.
Yeah.
2 hours and 50 minutes? That's a long goddamn time. Are they joking? 2 hours and 50 minutes? The fuck? That's not like gas at all. All right, guys, it's Sunday, October.
You don't even know what year we're looking
It's Sunday. We went and hung out with Static Mom, Static Brother, and Static Sister today. Now we're headed to San Rafael. We've shown you guys this place a long time ago in the vlog, I believe. It's our favorite place in the Bay Area to eat. It's called Soul Food. Ever heard of it? It's S-O-L food. And it's
watering. Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I really just want the rice with the pink sauce, but I have to order some sort of protein, or I feel weird about something. You know what I mean? I feel like I have to do
You
it.
have to order a
I can't just order straight
Why
carbs.
don't you try something new? I dare you to try something new.
We're gonna take you guys with us, show you how it's done.
Yes.
The hot sauce here is really good as well.
Limeade.
How are you feeling about the Tesla so far?
I really like it for these drives, these 25-minute, 40-minute drives we've been going on. It's nice.
People seem to really like the car. Like a lot of talking points. Like we gave a lot of drunk people rides, and they were all very interested in the features it had.
We were like the DD.
Yeah, we were.
You were the DD.
I was the DD. All right, so we just got to San Rafael, and we just remembered that there's always a fucking line here. We always forget that there's a line here. The line's like around the corner. We might just get it to go and then eat in the car.
Wrapped.
I don't know if we can wait in line again today. We already waited an hour and a half for a table. I can't wait another. You know what I mean? I can't do it.
It's too many hours.
I can't wait.
So you just took my pic, very cute, but we're serving some blurry moment. You're doing like the dad move before the flash goes off.
All right, update to the story. They're blurry because it's so fucking dark out, okay? It's not because I'm moving. I'm not taking dad pics where I'm moving the thing, okay?
Love you.
Love you too, honey.
So we did end up waiting. So far, is it worth it?
Okay, so this is what we ended up with. It's a breaded shrimp and salad with like a tartar / pink mayo sauce.
Breaded and plantains.
We ordered enough this rice. It looks super basic, but it's actually fucking the best rice I've ever had. This hot sauce is crucial to the success of it. I don't know what the hell it is, but it's delicious.
You know what?
Fuck, that was good.
We get in, we do the damn thing, and then we get out.
That was so good. Wow.
We didn't even talk though.
Yeah, we didn't. There's no need to speak. We just fucking focus. We annihilate the plate. Can I tell you a fun story about this place right here? Right there. And Katie wanted to originally get that building and just have a place where she could hang out with people. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
She's like, I want to get that building and then just hang out with my friends there.
You were like, what do you want to do? This is when I was like trying to figure out.
She was like, I just want a place where everybody can come hang out with me.
I just want to hang out really hard. Wow, that's goals right there.
You had to find a VHS player to play my receipts.
The wedding.
What up?
Not this lighting.
Not the fan.
Not that lighting,
Trying to see
please.
where-
I need a cigarette after that experience. You're happy, John? I'm happy. I ordered a la mode and I did not get a la mode. Mom, what did you do? Hella cooks now.
Cook City chick.